My name is Agarwal and I was just testing if air could blow up this water, but it's too heavy. Today we'll talk about air. Okay, so today we'll do experiment with an air cannon and we'll try to blow out a candle. So let me tell you the ingredients. So what you need is a hollow cardboard or anything that has got a hollow from both sides, like this. Hollow. A balloon. We got two balloons so that we can show you. A candle that has stuck because of the wax, and a plate, and matchsticks, and a scissor. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to use this balloon and blow up the candle with the power of air. So let me first show you. So yeah, I'll take help from an adult how to light up the candle. So then I'll continue. Bye. So I lit up the candle and attached this hard balloon, another half balloon means half balloon onto the tissue paper. What do you say? That stick. Oh yeah, the roll. Okay, so let me just burn this candle out. Wait, let's try it again. I just need to get this knot problem out. Just wait 1 second. Just let me क्या करना है? Okay, so now let me blow it out. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Just no. Yeah, got it. Why? Got it! Yes! Okay, so now let me tell you the ingredients. So let me just pull this out. Okay, so let me tell you the ingredients. So you need a balloon. As explained earlier, scissors, matchsticks, candle, tissue paper roll, and a plate. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is take a balloon, use the scissors, and cut it like this on the top, like I have done here. See? And the tail of it, we have tied a knot. See? And I can't tie a knot, so let me just try it. Okay, let's leave it. Okay, so what you're going to do is take this part, the cutted part, and put it like this. Just 1 minute. I'll just tell you how to do it. Let me just give it this. Done it. Let me just done it. Okay, so we have to lit up a candle and I'll ask an adult for help. So bye. Let me try it with the one we built in right front of you. I lit up the candle, so now let's try it again. Let's try it again. Let's try it with this. Why isn't it working? Just 1 minute. Let me just we have to pull it. Got it! Okay, our air cannon worked and it's out, the candle. So why is it happening? This is happening because when we pull the balloon like there, the air in this tube goes to the balloon here in the hole. Oh, don't worry. I can just fix that. No problem. Just need to put it like this. Wait. Okay, done. when I release this out, the balloon forces the air to go out, and the air has still got power when it reaches the candle, eventually burning it out. This is like a mini air cannon. But this is how air cannons work. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button with the subscribe word written in it. Until the next video, bye!